purpose of which is for everybody to get to know each other. Magkakakilala na yan kasi sa sports fest, tapos pag may mga team building, so nung sa sports fest nga, nag-away-away pa eh. Ganun sila magkakilala na. So magkakilala na kasi kanina sabi ng mga kaibigan, pakilala raw isa-isa. But lahat yan magkakilala na. Except the new teachers, Teacher na sa atin, tayo yung mag-guide dun sa mga ibang business units ng group ni Ma'am. So I really hope to achieve that vision. Just sit back, eat, and relax. I'll turn you over to our president, si Madam Marites, si Fernando, or we call him Ma'am Marites.
Thank you very much, Resty. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Specifically asked Resty to invite you tonight to show our appreciation for the 1 year that we have survived, di ba? Throughout the pandemic, maraming eskwelahan ang nagsara. And I think we should be thankful that TASAC is here and going strong. To give an education that is practical, values-laden, and where the graduates can exceed in their careers and excel in whatever they intend to do. So, I hope that you are one with me in this vision. Hindi kailangan mahal yung eskwela. In fact, sa atin, di ba, libre yung mga students. Kaya siguro medyo for the teachers, it's also a challenge, di ba? Private school ka, pero marami kayong mga students na maaling galing sa disadvantaged families na maybe not as good a background as we would like, but I think it's up to us to level them up. Gusto ko magkaroon tayo ng campus town. In other words, may isang bayan na TASAC University ang namumuno doon na nakadorm ang mga students, pero in that campus, this campus life will provide not only the students but also the teachers the opportunity to excel. Make them do things which will add to their knowledge rather than add to their Facebook accounts. Di ba? Mga bata ngayon, laging nagpo-post, pero mahalaga, tingin ko, yung i-post nila dito sa utak kung ano yung kaalaman na kailangan natin. Diba? Just like you give grades to your students, I think also it is important for us to recognize outstanding performances by teachers. So I hope na in the coming school year, we can further level up our academic performance, our engagement with the students, and also the ability to leave a lasting legacy in the hearts and minds of the students that we have. So thank you very much for coming tonight. So thank you for your service, thank you for your malasakit sa school, at sana makinig natin higit ang TASAC. Mabuhay!
I-award din natin yung mga outstanding performers para during dinner, tuloy-tuloy, then afternoon, yung presentation ng bawat campuses. When we're having dinner, you can sign your name doon sa parang commitment tarpaulin natin.